And there go the gates. There go the gates. $101 double stacks and piggyback cars. Symbol that train was BNSF ES44C4. That train here originates at Willow Spring, New York City, New York. Heads west going to Los Angeles, San Bernardino, California. It happened on a Sunday, October 13, 2024. Sound like I got a train meet coming. Do I have a train meet? I have a train meet. Let's take a look down the line. There's 101 double stacks and piggyback, I'm sure.